This is a new jam. It's perfect for heads down listening sessions, and anyone that is into electronic music with an attitude, an edge, and some sparkles of soulful and house. I'm going to share with you one of the cuts of this release. I chose Dewinter and Asha, Jasz, I hope I'm pronouncing that well, and Prouty. Hi Jay. Featuring Mary Blue, Acid in Your Coffee. Enjoy it. This is Brooklyn's Way, 8th release in the series. It's a fantastic release, deep dive. Enjoy it. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
But when it plays,